Holy shit, this is different. Whoa.
Yeah, don't pull too hard on this. Kind of lightly. Or it'll kind of like pull like your side did.
Yeah.
Or like that.
Well, that's just from doing 360s. I'm not going to be doing 360s on here. Huh? No, we just swapped out a PVC on his track, and we're going back down.
Yeah, we're not riding here.
Yeah, we're done. All right, man. All right. This is like a.
When you're sliding when the right side's on the inside, I guess just be nice to it.
All right.
Dude, oh.
They got like a clan meeting down there or something. I like that. Oh. Cops. What? Cops. How's it going, officer?
Why are you guys doing that?
Exercise mainly.
No, I mean in front of the cars. Oh, we tried not to do it in front of cars. And we did, that was a mistake. Yeah, there were like 20 cars behind. Sorry, man. That wheel's broken. We're trying to get it fixed. What are those?
They're pretty much adult big wheel drift tracks.
What do y'all rent?
No, we make them and we sell them.
Yeah, we make them in the BMW. Yeah, because here's the problem. Like every time y'all like made a little circle, it's just you have to follow the rules just like a bike.
Okay.
Which means just like a car.
Right.
So you know if you're not using, I mean we don't want to like go ahead and
Right.
like you know if somebody's complaining like hand signals and everything. We do our hand signals. We're doing the little circle thing.
Gotcha. Okay.
You know.
All right.
I mean I'm just saying.
Just
try to stay out of it.
And
somebody's not going to see you, you're kind of low.
Right.
You know,
if we just say if we do it to where we're the only ones on the street.
We do abide the bike laws. Yeah.
Well, we'll take it easy.
I'm afraid you're going to get pushed. We'll take it. Well, especially the later it gets.
We have headlights and taillights.
I know, but downtown a lot of people take it. Just like,
Gotcha.
That's like the most place we get UWIs.
Good, yeah, makes sense.
So, yeah, I mean, I don't think there's anything written about height and everything with flags or bikes and all.
All right. Yeah, because I mean, honestly, have you seen those little bicycles that have the two wheels in the back and the one wheel in the front where they kind of lay back? I mean, it's kind of the same height.
I'm just worried that somebody's not going to see you.
Right.
For the most part, we're pretty easy. in mind.
Well,
you know, you're going that, you're supposed to like
stay in one lane. Okay. Not a problem.
Good people are looking at me like that.
Are you gonna do something? Gotcha. Yeah, we'll
Those are cool though.
thank you. Yeah, we'll definitely stay off the main, like that street right there. We'll definitely stay off, and the main busy streets will stay off for sure.
You know, there's bike lanes now.
Yeah, right here. And
I'll try to use that.
okay. Alrighty.
You know, all this construction.
Yeah, we pretty much came from one of those parking garages over there, and instead of going that way, which is only one way this way, security already say, "What are you doing? You can't be doing."
Yeah,
So, I mean, a parking lot definitely, but all right, officer.
All
All right, thank you.
You have a good day.
Well, stay on the bike lane, I guess. All right. Done it.